XRP, we start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. And first of all, if you refer to my last analysis, I explained that we can expect the price to drop to 1.97, and exactly this is what we get. All right, this is what we get. Now we want to see what's the next. All right, at this point, still we get the possibility for the next drop is there because the 1.97 become as a support, and if the possibility for the price retest is very high, then if the price retest 1.97 no breakout, this is where we can look for buy, and the next move we can if this happen, mostly the next move is the one is going to break 2.97 2.9. All right, because we explained my last analysis, we get this one, but from what we have here, because I explained we can expect this one turn to more complex correction. Right now we're looking at this 1 2 3 in relative to what we have here before we see the reversal. Okay, now what's the next? Whether we should wait for the price to retest 1.97 before we look for buy, or we can buy at this point. All right, the best is if this happen. Okay, and the reason I'm discussing about this is still we can expect next drop. Okay, as what I explained about this flat. But one thing I need to highlight that we don't need to wait for that, because if we move to forward chart right now, I'm looking at this. Any opportunity for buy from here, I'm interested. But if there is no continuation, this is where we should take out the trade, because we can expect this one, and this is what we explained. 1 2 3, then we get this one. Okay, now how we look at the chart? First, at this point, any opportunity for buy from here, for me, I will take it. Simply, we don't take the trade, we look for the trade setup. If it start to move, it's good, we move our stop loss to break even. If not, we take out the trade, because we know about this next drop. And as I mentioned, if this one happen, mostly the next one, as I say, mostly will be the one is going to break 2.9. And I will be really interested to get this opportunity. And because if we get the next drop, mostly we will have a divergence. If we get the next drop, any opportunity for buy, if there is no breakout, we will take it. And even if there is a breakout, we see there is a reversal following by divergence, I will take it. Then we see what's the next, whether this is the one is going to break 2.9 or not. Okay, and now as I mentioned, at this point I'm looking at this, any opportunity for buy, I will take it and I will consider as a short-term trade. Then from there we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop. If the price could break the previous stop, for example, if the price could break somewhere around 2.44, 2.44, then it's good, we keep the trade. If not, then we should either move our stop loss to break even, or we take out the trade. But the most and the best I'm looking for, if we get this one following by divergence. All right, now this is how we're looking at the chart. Then as I mentioned, any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it, and the only option is to put our entry above the previous stop. And if we move to 1 hour chart, one thing I need to highlight, any opportunity for buy from here, we want to see the breakout of this one on 2.44. But if the price continues as a corrective following by divergence, this is where we should be quite careful. That's how I mentioned, this trade will be a short-term trade for me at this point, unless we see the changes. Then I don't see anything else to discuss. And if we move to higher time frame, the only thing is with the breakout of the all-time high, we're looking for 4.2 as the first, as the short-term target, but the mostly I'm looking for is 5.4 following by 6. This is the range I'm looking for at this point. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.